everyone. As Katya said, my name is Kevin. I'm part of the UI UX bootcamp. And for my final project, I've been working with a client called Lavey Livrey. So, a show of hands, who over here has a pile of clothes lying on their couch? Well, there are quite a few in the crowd, so I've got a wonderful solution for you guys. It's called Lavey Livrey. So what they do is, they clean your dirty laundry for you. They'll come to your house, pick up your clothes, and clean them and deliver it to your house. So it's a family-owned business. They are in the 9th around the small, wonderful people. So I started with them by discussing, okay, how can we make cleaning dirty laundry a pleasant experience for the users? So for this, I started by interviewing 6 users and sending out surveys to find out what are the main pain points that we might find for people. So during my research, the things that I found was that people go to the laundromat and they are wasting around 2 hours just sitting around doing nothing. And it's a big pain point for them. Sometimes they have like fear of losing their clothes and drying their clothes at home. So you have a pile of clothes that are drying and your house stinks. So I started on finding a solution for this. So here is Max. Max has a very busy lifestyle. He's a fitness coach, so he does not have much time to do his laundry. So he needs a service to where he can pick up, where the laundry person can come and pick up his clothes when they're clean and they can get it delivered. He needs a simple online booking process. Currently he faces the frustration of wasting 2 hours in the laundromat doing nothing, watching Netflix. Well, not doing nothing, but still. And he has to fill a very long online form just to have his laundry cleaned for him. Currently his goal is to do other tasks while his laundry is being done for him. After this, I just prepared a quick journey to see where exactly Max faces the main pain points. And for him, it's filling the long booking process, and it takes a lot of time. And it's just, he starts crying after that process. So from this, I started by doing the UI design. So here is a mood board of my design, the feelings that I wanted to convey in my UI designs. So one is the guy in the washing machine because he's confused how to wash his clothes and everything. But he's having fun at the same time. So there's then we have the clean clothes with a nice smiley face and everything. So from this mood board, I designed the style tile for the entire application. So it's basically defining the main colors that I will be using for the website, the button states and all the icons that I would be using. From this, so I'll start with some current website. So this is their current website. As you can see, it looks like a tourist website. It has nothing to do with laundry. And the booking process is it's quite long and it's hard for the user to understand. So I started by redesigning the landing page and doing the booking process for the mobile screen. So I'll show you the redesign that I have done for the landing page. So here we have the landing page, which is quite clear and precise. We show how the service operates in 3 simple steps. Then we have the features that they provide and the different price plans that they have for your laundry and some reviews from users. So we have the reviews over here, so it provides more trust on the site. After this, I redesigned the booking process to make it simple for users to use because it was quite difficult. So again, it's a responsive website basically. So it's on desktop and mobile at the same time. So we have the same content over here, again with the testimonials to see exactly what's going on. And technical difficulties. Come on. Okay. Now we press on the order button. So here it's a much simpler booking process where you have to put in your delivery address and your collection. You select the time and the date that you want to have your clothes delivered to you. Once you have that, you just select the different options, or the washing options that you want to have. And once you have those selected, you select your drying options. So it's quite simple in this way. You add additional comments. You put in your login details, save them. And once you've saved them, it gives a recap of the entire order that you have made. You proceed to the payment. You have the payment, fill in your card information, pretty straightforward. And then you have a message which says, return to home. After this, so the next steps for me is to design the booking process for the landing page, along with preparing the style guide for developers so that I can use the wonderful developers over here to create the website, and then conduct some research on the price plans because the price plans are going to be updated. and then redesign the price plans again. So, thank you.